look, nigga? How my swag look? How my swag look, nigga? How my swag look? How my swag look, nigga? How my swag look?
How my swag look, nigga? How my swag look?
Hey, how my swag look?
Okay.
Okay. Today's topic for y'all is
Ike ass niggas.
who?
Ike Turner.
Yeah, the opposite of the nauseous ass man.
Yeah, these are the niggas that like to put your hands on you.
Knock a bitch out in 2 seconds. What you say, bitch? Didn't I tell you everything? Alright, boom. So the Ike Turner ass niggas is the ones you gotta watch out for, you know.
Yeah.
In the beginning.
And there's signs about, it's some signs.
Yeah, they
It's some
mad
signs.
sweet.
They insecure.
Niggas that bring you flowers, just send you flowers for no reason.
Check your phone.
Yeah.
Niggas
Nah, girl.
ask you about it.
Girl, yeah. Who number? Oh, that happened. That ain't
Who number
funny.
is this?
I don't even want to talk about that part because that shit happened to me. Ike Turner ass niggas ain't no joke.
Yeah.
Alright, but
don't want you to
anyway.
go nowhere by yourself. He want to go with you.
Let's say he don't want you chilling with your girls because he afraid you might go
All
to
of
a
a
bar
sudden,
and meet
first
another
he be cool
nigga.
with it. Yeah.
What else? He don't want you to be around his friends. He want to lock you in a house, in a room.
Then he want to go with you, like
Yeah.
everywhere.
Type of nigga is his. If his chicken ain't hot or crunchy enough, he gonna slap the bitch with the plate.
Yeah.
Them type of ass niggas.
Tell you,
But-
you know, to go get him some water just to see if you gonna go get it, just to see how much control he got controlling niggas.
Yeah.
That's it.
Want to tell you not to wear this, wear that.
You niggas is stupid. Y'all ain't got no kind of swag. That don't got nothing to do with what is that? What do y'all get out of that? Hitting females and beating them up and stuff.
Cause they scared to fight a nigga. I think.
Scared to fight. We got some niggas for y'all too. We got
I
some
think they
niggas
scared
for
to
y'all.
fight a nigga, or sometimes a bitch do need to get slapped though.
A couple
Keep it
times.
honey.
She do dumb
Cause there
shit.
is some dumb bitches out there though that would sit there argue with nigga, then the nigga try to leave and the bitch will follow the nigga.
Yeah, follow him to the
Like,
door.
where you going?
And punch him in the back of the head.
Bitch, you heard me.
He turn around like, bitch, not that like the show was gonna leave. No, you didn't.
Yeah, them type of ass bitches.
Yes, y'all can't tempt them. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, but you know, that's gonna work out in the end.
gonna work
Long
out.
as you ain't got, long as you
No.
got like that something.
No.
Okay, we gravy. But we gonna give a tip of the
We
day.
got a tip of the day.
55 South State Street.
That's what your address gonna be, nigga. Keep acting up.
Keep fucking
Keep
up.
acting
We
up.
gonna see some commissary. $20 a week. Two visits.
We the police. 555 State Street.
Half a